very hot the weather now because yesterday another day is always rain and very cool this my body, but now I need to shower because hot the body your body. You need to shower to refresh your body. Wow, amazing my body. Wow, very behavior this my son. My son is body yan. This is a cute body. Wow.
Kiss mo.
Hmm.
Kiss mo yung anak mo.
Kiss the bride. Kiss the bride. This is my love. No? Oh? Kumukha tayo, di ba? Ha? Manong
Kumukha nga,
sa
oh.
akin eh.
Tama na.